the Billie brake light is incredibly bright, and although you have to turn the bike on to get things to really work, and I can't dare squeeze the brake because I have a wheel off, and that would squeeze the brake caliper down and have to pry it back open again. So we're not going to do that, but I do want to show you guys how darn bright this thing is. Let's fire this up. So you can see behind here, that's all Billie brake light. See that in the reflection right there? And there's the OEM up there. Yeah, this thing is just, I mean, it is insane. And I wish I could show you how, I mean, it's really hard to tell just how bright it is, but it really, truly is a bright situation. So, someone asked me about routing, and I want to help them with that. So, here's what we did. Underneath the bike here, right where this is actually a screw. I think it's a T25 that goes up into the frame, and you can see right there it is. Boom. There's one on each side. Whenever you undo this one, oh, we have an AF lock there. Can we cancel that? There we go. When you do this one and then you do the one over here, this panel here will drop down. See these tabs right here? These tabs kind of hold it. They'll keep it from dropping completely. So what you're seeing here is this whole piece here to here will drop down about 2 or 3 inches. Then what you're able to do is take this cable here. This is off the Billie brake light right there. So we got my 4 screws in the rear, just like that. Let's get a light in here. There you go. So we have 4 screws in the rear, just like that. And we've got that cable coming off. You'll see it comes up a hole right there. That hole right there is will lead it directly through behind the brake light into the pan, the plastic pan here. From there, I've got it wrapped with a little nylon wrap, zip tie at the end to keep that from de-threading even more. Then I've got a solid loop-de-loop here with 2 zip ties. Let's get that light back over there. Here we go. Then that comes down. You just follow the loop. And down, 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 and around. You'll see it right there. Boom. And then that goes into the can opener, which is hooked into the CAN bus system via the TPMS sensor. If you don't have TPMS on your bike, this won't be your setup. Your setup will be somewhere down here, but for TPMS users, which is most of USA GS riders have TPMS because they get the premium package. So that's the routing, basically. There's more than enough cable. I was able to come up from here, through the hole, loop-de-loop, come around and down, and end up here, and perfect amount of cable, and really simple. So just undoing these 2 screws right there, and the one on the other side there, this guy will drop down, and then you can easily feed that right through here. It's really easy. Now, after I got in installing this, I thought for a second maybe I should add more of a water drip here. Oops, sorry, I'm blinding you guys there. Maybe I should bring this where it's a little lower, like that. But I'm not too worried about it. We'll see how it does long term. If you're antsy about it, what you could do is you could drop this down here. Well, you could, instead of running this straight up, you can run this cable down and around this way. So you kind of have a little drip loop hanging here, and then get one of those adhesive, plastic adhesive things, run the cable through it like you would normally a zip tie, run through the adhesive piece, and then that's your dripping area. Then run it up behind this little panel here, and then up to the hole that I originally used. And that would really give you the drip you need, lower stress here. And I may end up doing that before I actually end up riding again, but that is my advice here for the Billie brake light install. And I can't comment much further because really the can opener, you don't do anything. You literally just posi tap the Billie brake light into the can opener accessory, black and red cables, and you're done. Fires right up. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching this video. Hope this was helpful, and have a nice day.